Welcome to Immigration Quicktake. This is Jessica Eyes with the American Immigration Lawyers Association. Joining us today from Oklahoma City is immigration attorney and AILA President-elect Doug Stump to discuss the business visa application process that opened just this Monday, April 1st, but due to the limit on the number of applications accepted, the cap has already been met today. Doug, there's been a huge upswing in interest by employers filing these H-1B petitions compared to the last few years. What does this surge mean? Does this mean that the U.S. economy is finally seeing real growth?
Well, I tell you what it does mean. It means that U.S. companies are now being denied access to the global talent pool for the next 18 months because these numbers are gone until the next fiscal year. This is going to disrupt or terminate crucial research and development projects in critical industries. As a result, this country will experience diminished technological innovation, and it will curtail our ability to reach out and enhance employment opportunities in the U.S. You know, Jessica, I don't think you can measure economic growth by H-1B filings alone because there are so few numbers available to begin with. Now, the Office of Foreign Labor Certification report for fiscal year 2013, just the first quarter alone, there were 96% of all the H-1B filings were filed for IT outsourcing and consulting companies. Now, we know that 2/3, basically, of all engineering students in the U.S. are foreign nationals. So where do the engineers go? If the IT companies, the large IT companies, are capturing all the visas, what about other occupations? The accountants, financial analysts, engineers. So I think there's an issue there.
The limits on the number of visas granted, 65,000 for H-1Bs generally, with an additional 20,000 set aside for those holding a master's degree or higher from U.S. University, have been called arbitrary and artificial caps that are not based on the real needs of the economy. How could this be remedied?
Well, we need swift, immediate action by Congress to not only increase the number of H-1B visa numbers, but to provide protections to small businesses, so that small businesses can also gain access to the world's talent pool.
What are the prospects for some type of a cap increase being included in a reform package?
I've been very optimistic this year that something may be there, but I've been optimistic in the past and I've been wrong every time. Now we hear that both in the Senate and in the House, there's legislation being drafted, reviewed, examined that would increase these visa numbers. The problem is, Jessica, it comes with a price. Increased user fees and probably some type of a test of the job market, much like we see in the perm process today.
Thank you, Doug, for joining us today. For the rest of you, stay tuned for more updates through Immigration Quicktake from the American Immigration Lawyers Association.